Oh, hey, there was a moment at the Pops concert this week, the kind that reminds you exactly why this school exists. Our high school music ensembles took the stage after months of hard work, and you could feel it in the room. Lisa Froehlic and Emily Flores guided these students with excellence. If you missed it, the full concert's on our YouTube channel. For our Black History Assembly, under Mrs. Moretta's leadership, our students honored a heritage of resilience, faith, and purpose, reminding us that every story God writes is worth celebrating. That same energy carried into Career Day. Mrs. Esposito brought in professionals from across industries to sit with our students and open their eyes as to what the future could look like. Our students showed up ready. Our Hornets also represented at the HVA Music Festival alongside other Adventist schools at the Highland View Academy gym with a music participation that blessed everyone in the room. This is the SAA spirit in action, and none of it happened without teachers and staff who poured themselves into these students every single day. We are deeply grateful. Remember, Hornets love to learn, live to serve, all for Christ.